Hey guys, it's Debbie back again. Now we're going to start our Cornish game hens. I've got milk in here, as you can see. I just poured in some, no measure, y'all know I don't measure. And 3 eggs. And now I'm going to whisk it and make sure you break your eggs up really, really good. And we're not going to do a double dip this time because they are injected. You know, our Cornish game hens are injected with the Creole garlic seasoning. So we're not gonna double dip them. Normally, when I deep fry, I put them in flour, then I put them in my mixture, and then I put them back in flour, and then they're ready to cook. But this time we're just gonna put them in our mixture and then our flour, and then we're trying out the air fryer. We'll see how it goes. Y'all make sure y'all spread this out. Everybody, guys, if this turns out as good as it does when we deep fry them in a, we normally deep fry them in a, what's that little thing we've got? Like a deep fryer. It's like a inside home deep fryer. Okay, here's one of our little game hens. We're just going to stick him. That don't smell like the right seasoning. Ooh. Okay, we got him in there good. Then we're going to put him in our flour. Turn him over, and then we're just going to dip our flour up on it. Just like that. Make sure you get it under his wing and under his leg good. Of course, now, deep fryer may do different. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to put them in with their... No, I'm going to put them in with the breast up. We're going to lay their back down.
Well, we got to turn them over, I think.
Oh, you have to turn them over? We're learning, guys. We're learning.
Right, and you say 25 each side?
No, I did not.
What'd you say?
I said.
Okay, we've got them in our mixture. Let him drain just a little. Put him in your flour mixture. Turn him over. Dip it all up on him. Put it up under his wing.
You're going to cook for 25 minutes on one side, flip, and cook for an additional 10 to 15 minutes until the Cornish hen reaches the internal temperature of...
Okay, we've got them both in there, and I've made a mess, but that's okay. Now, Sonny's going to take over.
Guys, we're just trying something here. What temperature? Dusty was supposed to be had Googled and knew how to do this for me. Turn it on. $3.50 or $3.80? Put your glasses on so you can see.
Okay, for 20 minutes, breast side down, and for 10 minutes, breast side up.
Oh, great.
I gotta flip them over, Mom.
Yeah, because I put them breast side up.
So breast side down for 20 minutes, and then breast side up.
Alright, so we're gonna flip them over, guys. And I really think if we really want to smash one, we could get another one in there.
No.
Now you're gonna have to come stick him in there.
Okay.
I gotta wash my hands.
Okay, now I'm back. Okay. Okay, guys.
Click air fry, click chicken.
Air fry.
Chicken. See your chicken.
I reckon that's chicken. We want it for
20.
20.
And then on 380.
And then,
I don't know. I think you just leave it. I don't know.
well, it's a blinking. You don't hit the start button?
Yeah, yeah, hit it.
Hit the start button. Okay, guys. Woo! That was easy enough now. We'll see what they're going to turn out like. She
Who
said
knew
we got
that the power and the start button was the same button?
we've got to. Somebody that should have read the
Nothing
directions,
said it.
instructions.
That's
But
what I-
anyhow, we got them in here. We did them at 20 minutes at 380 with the breast side down. Then when this gets through cooking, we pull them out, turn them over, and do them for 10 to 12 minutes, you said?
10. 10 with the breast up.
10 with the breast up, but we will kind of look at it and see what it's going to look like. You know, maybe might have to add a minute or two. We'll see. And do the last 10 minutes the same 380?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. We'll be ready for our next dippings when it's time. All right. I love you, and we're going to see what these things look like. We'll come back on even when we turn them over if y'all want us to. I don't know. I've never done it. Whoops. You see.
Yeah.
If they want us to.
Oh, man. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody.
Everybody.
That's what it says. Make a great reality TV show.
Because we're crazy, huh?
Y'all. We make a mess. We are a mess.
Guys, we try. There's nothing we won't. Well, if it goes against the Bible, we won't try it. But as long as it's good with God, it's good with us. We'll try it.
I would have never in a million years guessed.
Hey, let me tell y'all. I'm going to show y'all this. I'm going to show y'all my...
Regina and Count must be at work. If y'all still on here, hey girls.
I'm going to show y'all my mistake. I browned my marshmallow topping on the thing.
Turn on around so I can see them pretty marshmallows.
I wasn't going to show it all.
Oh yeah, we gonna show it all.
Anyhow, all you have to do, guys, if this happens to you, all you have to do literally is scrape it off because it comes off in one big hunk. But Sonny said, well, throw that mess away. So I'm not throwing it away because that's the way I like mine. You know, when you're making s'mores, I like mine crispy. I like it burn a little bit.
Have a pair of tongs out.
I don't. But that's how I like mine, so I didn't throw them away. I just kept them. All right, guys, y'all sprinkle this out so we can get other people watching. And we'll be back. We'll be back. And we'll get to eat one day, and then we'll get to show y'all all the food. All right. Love you. Bye.